Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So as you guys may have seen if you watched the last video, I've got this little speaker thing. I've got this, it's called a Dura Mini. You could just attach it to things and it makes them a speaker. So in today's video I'm just going to be walking around my house sticking it onto random things and seeing how good of a speaker it sounds. So I'm going to do some full volume. I have to do this with non-copyright music, otherwise the video will get taken down. But I'm going to make YouTube shorts of me doing stuff with normal songs as they don't get copyrighted, and you guys can comment what songs you want me to do and what surfaces you want me to attach them to. So yeah, let's get into it. I'm going to do it on full volume. Got Scarlet Fire here. Let's get into it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys come back for another one. Bye.